Hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by my channel, clicking on this video, because if you're about to do lawn care the next season for a side hustle, or if you just finished your first season or starting your second season, this video is for you, okay? So I just came back from doing a quote, you know what I mean, for a new customer that we're gonna have, and I'm parked right outside my house. But before I go in, I want to share this with you, okay? This is for my I want to talk about my first season of lawn care. All right, I was new to it. I didn't know what I was doing, you know, when I was going out there giving quotes. But I was, you know, after the second month of my first lawn care season, I was like, man, I have a lot of customers already. No one's turning me down, you know what I mean, with my quotes. Man, everyone like wants me to cut their yard. You have all these lawn care guys, you know what I mean, with their big trailers, lawn care trailers, you know, and they're doing good quality work. My work's just as good as theirs. I think it's even better, you know. And you're wondering, like, why me? You know, think about it, y'all. Maybe because your quotes are too low. Okay, maybe that's why. Maybe because your quotes are too low. And let's face it, y'all, everyone likes a good deal, okay? Everyone likes a good price. And they're gonna choose you if your quotes are low. They're not gonna turn you away. They're gonna, you know what? You know what I mean? I wanna have you as my lawn care guy. You know, 35 bucks for my yard, which is like half an acre. Yeah, I like that. Let's do it. Good deal, okay? They're gonna choose you, y'all. All right, if you're doing these low quotes, you know, everyone likes a good deal, okay? If you're doing that, you need to stop it and think about your quotes, and you need to raise them up, okay? Because when towards the end of the season, all right, when I was all worn out from all my customers, I was like, man, I didn't really making any much money, you know, like, because all the money was going to, like, most of the money goes to mower blades, your edger blades, your mixed oil, you know, your fuel for a truck, for a mower, oil change for a truck, because you got just driving everywhere, y'all. All right. Hey, the tread on the tires of her vehicle goes out, you know what I mean, gets worn out. You got to get new tires, y'all. All right. Time to maintain your vehicle that's towing your trailer. You know, time to maintain the mowers. All right, maintenance, y'all. You gotta think about maintenance, you know, overhead, okay? And I'm really profiting a lot if you're using all that money that you're making for overhead, okay? Remember, you did the side hustle or you started this business, you know, because you want to make money, you know? You want to get your wife a new car. You want to get a new car or a new truck, you know? Hey, maybe, you know what, next lawn care season, I'm gonna buy a new mower. You know, you can't do that, y'all, if you're really like not making that much money because of your low quotes. All right. So that's what happened to me my first season, you know what I mean? Because I was worried, oh, you know, if my quotes are too high, they're gonna turn me away. You know, if I raise up my quote, they're gonna turn me away. Buddy of mine, friend, brother in church, you know, he warned me, Charles, you know, like your quotes are too low, man. You gotta like raise them up. You gotta think about overhead. You know, you're not gonna make no money. You gotta think about that. Ah, man, I'm not worried about it. You know what I mean? I'm cool. I still got my primary job, dude, just for fun. You know what I mean? It's a side hustle. Man, you know what I mean? I should have listened to him. You know, I should have stopped worrying about what the customer was gonna think. You know what I mean? Oh, the quote's too high. You know, sorry, we can't take, you know, like, you know, we're going to go with somebody else. I should have just said, well, all right, well, I should just let them go. We'll go with somebody else. You know what I mean? But instead, okay, I'll lower the price, you know. And they're like, yeah, $25, that sounds good. You know, $35, that sounds good. You know? But instead, I was too worried about, you know what I mean, like losing them as a customer, so I just kept the quote low. Hey, look, y'all, I'm going to tell you this, right? Okay, you're going to hear this, you're going to see this a lot, okay? Especially if you're new. You're out there giving a quote. They say $60 for a half-acre yard, you know, and front and backyard, no trees or nothing, you know what I mean? They don't even have a fence, okay? $60. And you tell, hey, so $60, you know, I'll come every 2 weeks, you know, $60 per service. We know somebody who could do it for $50. You know, like, dude, they're probably lying to you. They're just trying to haggle with you, trying to get you to lower your quote. You know, and we're worried about losing them as a customer. You're gonna probably say yes. Okay, I could do $50. And they're gonna be like, okay, cool. You know, to be all nice to you. All right, great. You know, man, we're happy to have you as our Lawncare guy. And you're gonna drive away. As they're walking in their house, they're gonna be like, got him, haha, got him to lower the quote down. Yeah, you know, they got you. Fresh bait. They saw you coming, because they probably did that to the old Lawncare guy last year. And that old Lawncare guy last year told him, hey, I gotta raise up my quotes. And he said, oh, nah, sorry, man, we're not gonna have you. You know, we know there's gonna be some new Lawncare guy this year again. We'll just get him. You know, dude, they're out there, man. These people, they're gonna do that to you, okay? Don't accept it, all right? Don't accept them to lowball you. Don't do it, y'all. You're gonna hurt yourself. And if you're going to your second season of Lawncare, and if you're still afraid about what customers are gonna think if you raise up your quotes, stop it, man. Stop it. You're hurting yourself. You know, you're doing this to make some money, extra money, you know what I mean? Maybe to send, you know, for the kids to send them to college, you know what I mean? To buy her wife that new vehicle she always wanted, you know, or to buy a new home. You can't do that, y'all, if you're hurting yourself because of your low quotes. All right, don't lowball yourself, y'all. You know, let them go. Let them go if they don't like your new quote. Okay, and if you are going to second season, hey, you know what? You know, you're gonna raise up your quotes. Hey, you know what I mean? If you see, you go to your old customers, you know, like, hey, you know, like, I gotta raise up my my Lawncare quote this season. You know, I was brand new last season. I didn't know what I was doing, you know, really, like how to quote. I didn't take into consideration, you know, the mower blades, the fuel, you know, maintenance for my truck. You know what? They'll more likely they'll keep you. You know, I mean, $5-10 raise on the quote. More likely they'll keep you if we're doing good quality work. You know what I mean? If we're doing good quality work, they'll keep you. And they say, oh no, I'm sorry, we can't afford that. And let them go, man. Let them go. Let them go. Only $5, you know what I mean, for that good quality work you're doing for them. While you're in the hot sun, you know, like full of sweat, you know, like missing your family time, you know what I mean, from a primary job, because now you're out here mowing lawns while they're inside their house with their families in the AC unit, you know, taking their kids to the park on the weekends because you're out there mowing their yards for like $25. You know, hey man, let them go, man. It's not worth it, man. All right, your work is worth more than, you know, like, you know, pennies. You know what I mean? All right. If you feel your work is worth $50, tell them, hey, $50. If they don't like it, they tell you, well, I know somebody who could do it for $45. All right, hey, well, you know what? Good luck on your new Lawncare guy. If it doesn't work out, by all means, you could call me back, and maybe I have a spot open for you. You know what I mean? But there's my new quote, $50. Bottom line is, y'all, don't accept people to lowball you. Okay? All right. If your quotes are low right now, raise them up. All right. You gotta think about the overhead, y'all. You gotta think about the fuel for the vehicle. You gotta think about the equipment. Okay? You know, hey, your boots, maybe your boots are all worn out because going up and down the ditches, you know what I mean? The soles of her shoes, man, they're coming off, you know what I mean? You gotta buy new boots, new shoes, y'all. Okay, you gotta maintain your PPE, you know, personal protective equipment, you know what I mean? You know, like pants are all worn out and everything, getting torn up. You gotta buy new pants. Okay. So hey y'all, this is what I want to talk about, y'all. Is you know, low quotes, y'all. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it right. Don't give out low quotes because you want clientele. I get it, y'all. That's, you know, I was the same way, man. My first lawn care season, I just want customers. You know what I mean? If I give them low quotes, they'll come with me. They'll come with me. They'll let me mow their lawns. Cause those other guys are charging $60. No, but if I charge like $40, you know, like, yeah, they'll choose me. You know, dude, they're not choosing you. They're choosing their quote. Okay, that's what they're choosing, man. All right. And then when you tell them, hey, sorry, you know, I gotta raise the quote up, you know, they're gonna get a stinky face and everything. Hey, sorry, well, we're gonna go with somebody else. You know what, man? This whole time, man, last lawn care season, they didn't like you. They liked your low quote. So stop doing it, y'all. Stop hurting yourself, okay? We're giving good quality work. You know, hey, quote right, okay? I ain't saying quote high, all right? But give a good quote, okay? All right? Don't quote low, y'all. Don't lowball yourself, man. You're hurting yourself. You're hurting your family, man, okay? Because you're doing this for yourself and your family, you know what I mean? They're not making any money, man. You know, you're not profiting, man, for your family, okay? So don't do it. Stop it. But hey, man, other than that, I'm done, okay? I'm done. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video, okay? Good luck on the next lawn care season, all right? Leave a comment, all right? Leave a comment. Hey, if you've been doing this for years, if you're watching this just for entertainment, hey, leave a comment. You know what I mean? If you disagree, leave a comment. Good. If you want to give advice, hey, put it in the comments, all right? Hey, we have to network together, y'all. Network, all right? We're a team, okay? Let's give each other advice. Encourage each other. Like iron sharpens iron, y'all. All right? Motivate each other, okay? Leave a comment in the comment box, all right? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. There's more videos to come. I'm doing this for y'all, for the new lawn care guys that are going to come in next season. Okay, or hey, maybe just for entertainment, you know, we're sharing ideas here, okay? But if you like this video, hit like, all right? If you know somebody that's gonna do lawn care next season, hey, share them this video, okay? Share with them this video, all right? This is for them. This is for them. And for watching this right now, remember, all right, if you're afraid to lose a customer because you're gonna like give them a right quote, but instead you're gonna give them a low quote because you're afraid to lose them, hey, remember this video. Remember this video, okay? Remember it, all right? And then correct yourself, all right? Hey, fix that quote, all right? Put that quote where it's supposed to be at. If it's at $25, it's supposed to be at $50, put it there, okay? And they say, oh, sorry, you know, that's too high for us. You know, we're on the budget. You're on the budget too, you know? You know, yeah, if you're giving good quality work, if it's worth $50, stick with it. Don't take no for an answer, all right? Hey, they don't tell you how to quote your lawn care, man. Okay, this is your side hustle. This is your business, okay? All right, stick to your quotes, okay? Other than that, y'all, hey, subscribe, hit like. There's more videos to come. God bless. Good luck on the next lawn care season. And hey, just stay motivated at all times, all right? God bless. Bye.